So this video is about pair of linear equations. Means linear equations will be there. How many will be there? Two. Pair means two. So let us call let equations a1x plus b1x plus c is equal to 0, and a2x plus b2, sorry, this is x and y, b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Like this will be we will have two pairs of equations. X common will be there, that is one quotient and one variable, and another variable y will be there, and coefficients will be different. For example, here if we take 5x plus 3y plus 8 is equal to 0, 2x plus 5y plus 3 is equal to 0. Like this we can have. So here in this case, this one a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 c2. So how to solve these equations we'll see in another video, but in this video we will basically confine ourselves to the part of solving, instead of without solving, how to find out what kind of results we are going to get. Sometimes what happens, in place of x and y we will get only one value as answer. That is a case. And second case, x and y so many values will be coming, and third case, x and y no values will be coming. That is because there are three types of equations possible in a plane. For example, if you take two lines in a plane, lines can be like this. They will intersect at one point. So these lines are intersecting lines, and they will give you unique result. Means they are consistent and give you a standard unique result, you know. And in plane again we can have two different lines which are parallel like this, and you will not get any result because common में कुछ भी point नहीं होगा, so no solution. So such a lines we call as inconsistent, or in a graphic, in geometry we call them parallel lines. And sometimes we have same line different equations. So same line different equations, and we call that as coincident lines. And they are again inconsistent because consistent but so many results. Consistent but so many results for x and y will be there. Now let us see, without actually doing the solution part, how can we say whether the given equations will give us what kind of solution they are going to give us. For that we have a system called, we will only take care of these coefficients, their ratios we will take and we will compare. So first case, in this case if lines are like this, what happens, the ratio of a1 by a2, b1 by b2 will not be equal. a1 by a2 will not be equal to b1 by b2. Then only the lines will be coming like this. In this case, a1 by a2 will be equal to b1 by b2, but c1 by c2 will be different. This is c1 line, this is c2 line. C1, because that c1 represents the distance somehow from center to the line, so this distance is different. Both are parallel but both are at different distances from center, so c1 and c2 ratio will be different, but these two will be equal. In this case, in the third case, a1 by a2 and b1 by b2 and c1 by c2 all will be equal. So this is the third case. So by comparing the ratios we will be able to say what kind of lines they are. Without drawing actual graphs, without doing anything, we can directly say. So generally the question comes like this: find the value of, find what kind of lines are there. 5x plus 3y plus 8, 2x plus 5y plus 3 is equal to 0. So in both here we will simply compare the ratio of a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2. So we don't go even up to c1 by c2. First we compare these two. Whether both are equal? No. 5 by 2 is not equal to 3 by 5. So the case is a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. So it is a consistent and these are intersecting lines, and you will have unique solution. And what happens in these kinds of lines, for example 5x plus 2y plus 8 is equal to 0, 10x plus 4y plus 5 is equal to 0. In this case let us take 5 by 10 is equal to 2 by 4. First we compare these two. 5 by 10 is 1 by 2. 2 by 4 is also 1 by 2. So once these two comes equal, it can be this case also, this case also. So if these two are coming equal, when we have to go for the third one also, 8 by 5. Whether we are checking whether it is equal or not. We should not write directly is equal to, we should check. See, in this case what happens? So a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by c2. So this is the case, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by c2. So the lines are parallel, there is no solution, and the equations are inconsistent. Now coming to this case, for example, x plus y plus 5 is equal to 0, 2x plus 2y plus 10 is equal to 0. A line can have, like a person can have only one name but so many pet names. The same way a line can have different representations. Actually here there are two different equations but both are same line only. How can we say? Coefficients 1 by 2, here also 1 by 2, here 5 by 10, that is again 1 by 2. So a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. So there are so many results. Though it is consistent, it represents same line, different equation. That is what we calling coincident lines. So these kind of questions appear in our exam. So based on this, we will be solving the sums.